రామాయ రామభద్రాయ రామచంద్రాయ వేధసే రఘునాథాయ నాథాయ సీతాయాః పతయే నమః. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. డియర్ devotees, we are celebrating Vasanta Navaratri Utsavams, March 19th to 26th in HTVA Hindu Temple of Virginia. On March 19th day, in our temple, in the morning, Vishesha Aradhana and Sahasranama Archana. After that, 10:30 a.m. Sita Rama Parivara Abhisheka Mahotsavam, then Archana, Prasada Vitarana. In the evening, 6:30, Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana, Panchanga Shravana. Then after, we are starting Sri Sundarakanda Parayana. We chant Sundarakanda Parayana all the 9 days in the evening, 6:30 p.m. Please everyone, come to the temple and join with us in the Parayana. Seek Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami Anugraham. Jai Shri Mannarayana.